There is nothing in the universe more extreme than a black hole, and they are not all the same. They come in sizes that range from smaller than a city to larger than our entire solar system. In this video, we are going through the most terrifying black holes ever discovered, the fastest spinning object in the galaxy. Most things in space spin, planets spin, stars spin, but this black hole spins at over 1,000 rotations per second, the fastest spinning known black hole in the Milky Way. Located around 36,000 light-years from Earth, GRS-19 has a spin so extreme that its rotation actually drags space-time along with it. This effect is called frame dragging. If a planet the size of Earth drifted close enough, the differential spin forces would twist it like a wet cloth. The rotation also powers enormous jets of plasma shooting from the black hole's poles at near the speed of light. Anything caught in those jets would be accelerated to near light speed and vaporized within milliseconds. The two monsters' black hole. In 2015, something happened that changed physics forever. Two black holes collided and merged into one. The collision released more energy in a fraction of a second than all the stars in the visible universe combined emit in that same moment. The collision sent ripples through the fabric of space-time. Gravitational waves. Literally waves in reality itself, spreading outward from the collision at the speed of light. If you had been close enough to witness the actual merger, the burst of gravitational energy would have been enough to tear apart any planet. Those waves reached Earth 1 billion years later and were detected by the LIGO Observatory in 2015. Since then, we have detected dozens of binary black hole mergers. The universe is full of them. Primordial black holes. Unlike every other black hole we have discussed, primordial black holes are not somewhere out there far away in a distant galaxy. They may be here, in our solar system. Some theories estimate that trillions of them could be drifting through our galaxy at any given moment. The closest one could be closer than the nearest star, and we would have absolutely no way of knowing. No telescope can see them. No instrument can detect it because they emit no light. Now here is what would actually happen if one drifted too close to Earth. It would pass through the planet, creating a channel of destruction kilometers wide. In a matter of seconds, we would not have seen it coming. We would not be able to stop it. It would just pass through. The black hole that ate a galaxy. Located 10.4 billion light-years away, it's the most massive known black hole in the universe. If you took every single star in the Milky Way, all 400 billion of them, and you added them all together, you would still not reach the mass of TON 618. Its gravitational pull is so extreme that it has suppressed the formation of new stars in the entire galaxy surrounding it. The galaxy stopped making stars, not because there was no material, because TON 618's gravity and radiation was so overwhelming that gas clouds couldn't collapse into stars anymore. A black hole so massive it stopped an entire galaxy from growing. TON 618 is the most frightening thing we have ever found. The closest black hole. Right now, at the center of our galaxy, there is a black hole, not somewhere far away, not in a distant galaxy. In ours, it is 26,000 light-years from Earth. That sounds far. But in galactic terms, it is in our backyard. This black hole is 4 million times the mass of our Sun, and it's 23 million kilometers wide. That is bigger than the distance between the Sun and Mercury. Every star in the center of the Milky Way orbits around it. Hundreds of stars, some moving at millions of kilometers per hour. So, black holes are not just extreme versions of normal things. They are places where normal things stop existing, where the rules stop applying, where physics breaks down, and something else takes over. The universe contains these things. It is built around them. Galaxies orbit them. Stars are destroyed by them. Space itself is bent and twisted by them.